Hello guys, here's a quick guide to the observation deck at Zurich airport, a perfect spot for plane spotting. If you have a long layover, this is an amazing place to relax and enjoy close-up views of aircraft taking off and landing from airlines all around the world. Inside, there's also a restaurant area where you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the incredible views. To enter, you will need your boarding pass, and after a quick security check, you are good to go. Since we love plane spotting, we had such a great time watching so many aircraft up close. Here are a few glimpses from our experience. If you are visiting with kids, there's even a play area for them to enjoy. Thanks for watching.